Students, today topic is parabola. So we know the result E is equal to 1 for the parabola. E is called the eccentricity. Okay, so when E is equal to 1, the conic is nothing but the parabola. You see the definition, the parabola is the locus of points in a plane that are equidistant from both the directrix and the focus. Okay, so what is E? It's a ratio between the two distances. The one distance is SP by PM. Okay, so SP which is equal to PM. Okay, so the points, the locus of the points that are equidistant from focus and the directrix is nothing but the parabola. Okay, so the parabola is the locus of points that are equidistant from the focus and the directrix is nothing but parabola. Now we are going to see the equation of the parabola in standard form with the vertex 0, 0. So, if the vertex of the parabola is 0, 0, we are going to obtain the equation of the parabola in the standard form. So, for that, so we know that the fixed point is called the focus and the fixed line is called the directrix. Okay, so now from the focus, we are going to draw the perpendicular line to the directrix. What is the perpendicular line? SZ. Okay, and produce this SZ as x-axis. Okay, next one, the perpendicular bisector of SZ. The perpendicular bisector of SZ is and produce that as y-axis. Okay, so the point of intersection of SZ with the perpendicular bisector is origin. Okay, now you take your SZ is equal to 2a. So it's a point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and SZ. So from 0, 0 to this distance is a, and here this distance also a. Okay, so see that this focus is on the positive side of x-axis. So whose distance from origin is a. So this point is a, 0. And z is on the negative side of x-axis, whose distance from the origin is a. So it is in the negative side. So it is minus a, 0. Okay, so next we are taking the point P of x, y. Okay, on the locus. Okay, that yield a parabola. Okay, so I'll consider P of x, y is a point on the locus. Okay, you see there, according to the definition, the parabola, what is it? We have the result E is equal to 1. So what is E? The previous class we have said the E is nothing but SP by PM. Okay, SP, this distance, and PM, the distance to the directrix of the moving point. So SP by PM is equal to 1. So what the result you are getting? SP is equal to PM. So when you square, it is SP squared is equal to PM squared. Okay, yes. What is the point S? S is nothing but the focus, that is a, 0. What is the P point? It is x, y. You are having 2 points. What's the distance between them? Distance formula has to be used to find the distance between S and P. So it's nothing but square root of x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. That only I have written. Square root of x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. Okay, here what we have written SP square. So I just put the square above it is equal to PM. You look at this. P is a point, already we have said it is x, y, and M is a point on the directrix. Okay, whose x distance is a, and the y distance I have taken it as y. So M point is minus a, y. So you just find the distance between these 2 points. So again you have to use the distance formula. Square root of x minus of minus a. It is x plus a the whole square plus y minus y the whole square. You look at this, x plus a the whole square plus y minus y the whole square. So above it I put the square. So the square and the square root getting cancelled, you will get this result. Okay, so when you expand, it is a minus b the whole square. So x squared plus a squared minus 2ax plus y squared is equal to, when you expand, it is a plus b the whole square, that is x squared plus a squared plus 2ax. You see that the left side x squared and the right side x squared getting cancelled. In the same way, a squared getting cancelled. You see that this y squared, you keep it in the left side. This minus 2ax, when you take it to the right side, already 1 2ax is there. So your answer 2ax plus 2ax is equal to 4ax. This is the standard form of the parabola. Okay, with the vertex 0, 0. So what is it? Y squared is equal to 4ax. So this is the, what is that? This is the equation of the parabola. How the parabola is open rightward. The parabola is open rightward. There are other standard forms of the parabola. So y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Here y squared is equal to 4ax. Here next one, y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, see that. Next one, x squared is equal to 4ay. Next is x squared is equal to minus 4ay. There are 4 types of parabola. Okay, what is it? The equation you have to learn. So y squared is equal to 4ax, y squared is equal to minus 4ax, and x squared is equal to 4ay. Next one, x squared is equal to minus 4ay. So next one, we are going to see some definition in the parabola. The first one, so we are going to see what is axis, vertex, chord, focal chord and latus rectum of the parabola. Okay, so see that axis. What is the axis? You see, it's a line. Axis is nothing but the line which is perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus. You see that? The line, how it should be? Perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus. Okay, you see now, is called the axis of the parabola. You take this parabola, take this diagram, you see the diagram. Already I have said the fixed point is nothing but the focus. Okay, so axis, what I said, the line perpendicular to the directrix. This is your directrix. Okay, wow. So directrix, how it should be? It should be perpendicular, not only perpendicular and passing through the focus. So you see that which line is it like that? So see the x-axis. X-axis is the line which is perpendicular to the directrix and pass through the focus. So for this parabola, x-axis is the axis. Your x-axis divides the parabola into 2 equal parts. So x-axis is the axis of symmetry of the parabola. Okay, wow. So axis, do you understand? It's a line which is perpendicular to the directrix and pass through the focus. So for this parabola which is open rightward, the axis of symmetry is x-axis. Why I am using axis of symmetry? This x-axis only divide the parabola into 2 equal parts. Okay, so the next one is a vertex. Vertex is nothing but the point. Okay, so see that the intersection point of the axis and the curve. So here the curve is parabola. You see that? We can say in other words, the point of intersection of the curve and the axis. So in this parabola, which is the axis? X-axis is the axis. Okay, you see that in the x-axis, the point of intersection of the x-axis and the curve. So which point you will get? You will get the origin. So this origin is called the vertex of this parabola. So what is the vertex? Vertex is nothing but the point of intersection of the axis and the parabola. Okay, ma? So the next one, we'll see about chord. Chord you know very well, isn't it? So the line segment joining any 2 points on the parabola. Parabola surface la, if you consider any 2 points and you just join as a line segment, that is a chord. So next one we are moving to see the focal chord. So any chord of parabola which pass through the focus is called the focal chord of the parabola. You see that chord, line segment joining any 2 points of the parabola. What is the focal chord? That chord passes through the focus is called the focal chord. So the next one is very very important. The next one is called latus rectum. So latus rectum, how it should be now? The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis. This word is important. Which is perpendicular to the axis is called the latus rectum of the parabola. You see that here AB, CD, EF. Okay, I have drawn the 3 chords. We'll see the difference now. So you look at this AB. AB means I have taken 2 points A and B on the parabola. So it is a chord. It is just a chord, because I have joining the 2 points on the parabola. You come to CD. The pink color line, the CD. So CD is also a chord, but this chord, how it is? It passes through the focus. So it is called a focal chord. And come to next one, EF. How it is? It is straight. So this chord, I am just joining the 2 points on the parabola and it passes through the focus. So it is called the focal chord. But how it is? It is perpendicular to the axis. So this EF is called the latus rectum of the parabola. Okay, so EF, what it is, how it is? It's a focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So therefore the EF is nothing but the latus rectum. Okay, see that I have written here, AB is nothing but the chord. Okay, and CD is nothing but the focal chord. What is EF? Latus rectum. How is your latus rectum? It's a focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. This is rho is nothing but the vertex, and x-axis is the axis of symmetry. And what is S? Already we know it is a focus. And what is this L? It is a directrix. These are the results you should know about a parabola. Okay, we'll see the already I have said the 4 standard forms of the parabola. So adoda diagram and the results we are going to see now. It is very very important. Okay, so see the diagram. So I have drawn the parabola in this way, which is open rightward. Already we have found the equation. So that the standard equation is y squared is equal to 4ax. And you see that y squared is equal to 4ax means your axis is x-axis. So x-axis, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So what is the vertex? This is the vertex. So the vertex is 0, 0. Either you can mark as O or you can mark as V. Okay, V of 0, 0. Okay, look at your focus. Focus. So from the diagram, so the vertex and the focus, what is the distance we have taken first? It is A. So the parabola, the focus of this parabola is A, 0. So the parabola which is open rightward, whose equation is y squared is equal to 4ax, whose vertex is 0, 0 and the focus is A, 0. The axis is x-axis. Axis of symmetry is x-axis, whose equation is y is equal to 0. Okay, directrix is focuses in the positive side of x-axis. Now directrix is a line which lies opposite to it, that is in the negative side of x-axis. So it in this line whose equation is x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a. So minus a, when you bring it to this side, it is x plus a is equal to 0. So the equation of the directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. At the next, you know that latus rectum. Latus rectum definitely pass through the focus. So the equation of the latus rectum is x is equal to a. X is equal to a means x minus a is equal to 0. This result you should know about. Okay, you see the right side. here x is positive, so all the results will be on the positive side of x-axis. So that's why your focus is a comma 0. We'll see the next one. So the second one, the second type of parabola, how it is. Here I have drawn the previous open, how it is open rightward. You look at this parabola, open leftward. You see that it is on the negative side of x-axis. So all the results, the properties la, so x varumbodhu it will become minus. So the equation of the parabola is how it is, y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, open rightward means y squared is equal to 4ax. If it is open leftward means it is on the negative side of x-axis. So therefore y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, what is the axis? You see that the same axis, x-axis only divides a parabola into two equal parts. So the axis is x-axis, whose equation is y is equal to 0. The vertex is nothing but 0 comma 0. On seeing the diagram itself, you know the vertex is 0 comma 0. Okay, and come to the focus. The parabola, how it is? It is on the negative side. Appo your focus is minus a comma 0. Okay, y squared is equal to minus 4ax means the focus is minus a comma 0. How the directrix? It is just opposite. Appo directrix oda x vandu positive ah irukum. Appo x is equal to a. X equal to a means x minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the results you should know. The diagram and the properties you should know about the parabola. So we'll see the next one. Okay, so the third type, how it is? The parabola is open upward. The parabola is open upward. About whose equation, how it will be? X squared is equal to 4ay. So the previously we have seen y squared is equal to 4ax and y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Here the parabola open upward. So whose equation is x squared is equal to 4ay. Okay, so see the axis now. Axis definition, while I am saying it is perpendicular to the directrix and pass through the focus. So which is the axis of symmetry now? Y axis. The parabola which is open upward, the axis of symmetry is y axis, because your y axis only divide the parabola into two equal parts. Okay, about all the properties, all the points should be on the y axis. Okay, so see that the vertex for all the parabola which are in the standard form, the vertex is 0 comma 0. There is a difference in the focus only. So focus, you see that the focus is on the y axis. Upon the focus will become 0 comma a. It is on the y axis, so x will become 0. So what distance from the vertex? So it is a. So it is 0 comma a. What I said about the directrix, it is just opposite to the focus. Focus is in the positive side. Now the directrix should be in the negative side. Upon y is equal to minus a. So this y is equal to a, 0 comma a means this opposite, y is equal to, whose equation is y is equal to minus a. Y is equal to minus a means we can write y plus a is equal to 0. Focus is a point but directrix is a line. Okay, so see the next type of, fourth type of parabola. So how, look at this, how does the parabola which is open downwards, which is open downwards. Open downwards means whose equation, how it will be? X squared is equal to minus 4ay. What is that? X squared is equal to minus 4ay. So see the axis. So the parabola which is open downward, the axis of symmetry is y axis. Okay, y axis divides a parabola into two equal parts. So y axis whose equation is x is equal to 0. Okay, look at the vertex. The vertex is, which is in the standard form, means the vertex is 0 comma 0. Come to the focus. It is in the negative side. So it will become 0 comma minus a. Okay, if it is in the focus is in the negative side, upper directrix should be in the positive side. So y is equal to a. Y is equal to a means y minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so see that y squared is equal to 4ax and y squared is equal to 4ax, y squared is equal to minus 4ax, and x squared is equal to 4ay, x squared is equal to minus 4ay. Okay, there are 4 types of the parabola which are in the standard form whose vertex are 0, 0. So see that here x is positive, so the parabola is open rightward. Here your x is in negative, so the parabola is open leftward. Here the right side y is positive, so the parabola is open upward. This is y is negative, so the parabola is open downward. These two parabola, the axis is x-axis. For these two parabola, the axis is y-axis. Next, we are going to see the parabolas with vertex h, k. That is, we have seen previously with the vertex 0, 0. So now the vertex is shifted to h, k. We are going to see the equations and the properties. Okay, you see that when the vertex is h, k and the axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis. The previously the vertex 0, 0 means the axis is on the x-axis. Okay, now it is parallel to x-axis. So you have to use the word. The vertex is 0, 0 means the axis is x-axis or y-axis. If the vertex is h, k means you have to say the axis of symmetry, how it is, parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. You have to change the words. Okay, the equation of the parabola, how it may be in any one of the two forms. Okay, see that if the parallel to x-axis means the axis of symmetry is x-axis means the two types of parabola is y squared is equal to 4ax and or y squared is equal to minus 4ax for the vertex 0, 0, isn't it? Okay, see that now the axis is parallel to x-axis means y squared will become y minus k the whole square. So y has to be changed as y minus k and x has to be changed as x minus h. Okay, see vertex 0, 0 means you have seen the 4 standard form of the parabola. Now we change the vertex as h, k. So the equation also changed. How it has to be changed? In the place of x you have to write x minus h. In the place of y you have to write y minus k. So y minus k the whole squared is equal to 4a into x minus h, or y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. This parabola is open rightward, this is open leftward with vertex h, k. The same way, when the vertex is h, k and the axis of symmetry is parallel to y-axis, the equation of the parabola is, you see that x minus h the whole squared is equal to 4a into y minus k, or x minus h the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So you have to be careful in writing the words. The axis of symmetry is x-axis. The axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis. Axis of symmetry is x-axis means the vertex is 0, 0. Okay, the axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis means the vertex is h, k. Okay, you see the diagram and the properties. Okay, see now the first, what type of parabola it is? Open rightward. But you see that the previously open rightward parabola whose vertex is 0, 0. So where we have drawn on the x-axis. Now it is your x-axis is here. So I have taken the vertex as h comma k. So இது h distance, இது k distance. இங்க இருந்த vertex I have shifted to here. So v of h comma k. From the vertex I have drawn the parabola which is open rightward. Okay, so you see now the equation, how it will become. It is y minus k the whole squared is equal to 4a into x minus h. The previous how it is, y squared is equal to 4ax with the vertex is 0, 0. Now y is changed as y minus k the whole squared is equal to 4a into x minus h. Okay, you see the axis, which one divides the parabola into two equal parts, x dash. So this axis, how it is parallel to x axis. So axis of symmetry is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means your answer is y is equal to some constant. Here what is a constant? It is k. So I have written y is equal to k. Got it? And now the vertex is what? H comma k. The focus, where it will be, the focus will be here. You see that from with respect to origin, this focus is here you are having. So how much distance from the x-axis? This distance is h and v to s is a. Okay, so the x distance will be like this. So it is h plus a. So the focus will be h plus a and there is no change in y. Y distance is how much? It is k. So the focus will become h plus a comma k. H plus a comma k. Previous how it will be? A comma 0. If the vertex is 0 comma 0 means a comma 0. Now it will become h plus a comma k. Okay, so the equation of directress is just opposite. So therefore it will become x is equal to h minus a. Okay, focus is h plus a in the x and x values. Here the directrix is, this is a line, so we can write it as x is equal to h minus a. So this is your directrix. Okay, so see now the how much distance. So it will be like this. So this distance is h, this is a is in the, it's a distance a, but the directrix is in the negative side of x. So it will become x is equal to h minus a. Okay, x is equal to h minus a. Okay, is it clear to you? So see now the vertex is h comma k. The parabola is open rightward, means your focus is h plus a and the directrix whose equation is x is equal to h minus a. Okay, so see the next type, second one. How does this parabola which is open leftwards? Okay, you see that 0 comma 0 origin is here. So the vertex is now it is h comma k. It is open leftward. So how it is the equation? Y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Okay, so the which line divides the parabola into two equal parts? Your x dash. So how is your x dash? It is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis is the axis whose equation is y is equal to k. Okay, the vertex is h comma k. Now it is your focus. Yes or no? So x distance from with respect to 0 comma 0, what is the distance from focus? This is the distance we have to find. This is the distance we have to find. So we know that the whole distance is h and the vertex and the focus distance is a. Okay, from h if you subtract a, you will get this distance. So with respect to 0 comma 0, the focus will be on a h minus a comma k. H minus a comma k. Clear? So the directrix will be, it is opposite. So x is equal to h plus a. Okay, so see now the parabola which is open leftward with vertex h comma k whose equation is y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Okay, the vertex is h comma k. And the focus, this parabola, how it will be? It is on the negative side. Here in the place of x, you have to write h minus a comma k. The equation of directrix is just opposite to the focus. So, whose equation is x is equal to h plus a. Okay, come to the next one, third type of parabola. How it is? Which is open upward. Which is open upward. Okay, so what is the vertex? H comma k. About how the equation will be? X minus h the whole squared is equal to 4a into y minus k. See now, equation of the parabola whose vertex is 0 comma 0, which is open upward. Which is open upward, whose vertex is 0 comma 0 means, what is that equation? X squared is equal to 4ay. X squared is equal to 4ay. Now your vertex is h comma k means, in the place of x, what do you have to write? X minus h. So x minus h the whole squared is equal to 4a into y minus k. Okay, you see the axis. Which is the axis? Y dash. This y dash, how it is? It is parallel to y axis. It is parallel to y axis. Any line parallel to y axis whose equation is x is equal to some constant. Here our constant is h. So x is equal to h. Okay, already we fixed the vertex, that is h comma k. Now come to the focus. It is on the y axis, which is parallel to y axis. So okay, so see now, x distance is h only, but you look at the k distance, y distance, you see that s is here. So this distance is h, and the distance between vertex and focus is a. So from with respect to 0 comma 0, the s point is, you see that there is no change in x distance, that is h only, but y, in the y place, how much distance it is covered? K plus a. So the focus is h comma k plus a. Okay, h comma k plus a, because the parabola which is parallel to y axis, so all the values should be changed in the y coordinate. Okay, so the focus is h comma k plus a. Okay, so how the directrix is? It's opposite to the focus. Yes, sir. So directrix is a line, so y is equal to k minus a. Y is equal to k minus a. And the fourth one, see the next one, this is the parabola open downward, whose equation is x minus h the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Okay, so which is the axis? Y dash, how it is? It is parallel to y axis. So the vertex is what? H comma k. Okay, go for the focus. This is your focus. Okay, so there is no change in the x distance, that is x distance is h. Okay, and what is y? Y, we have to find this distance, isn't it? Oh, you have to find this distance. So the whole distance is k. From that, if you subtract a, you will get this. Okay, so the s point is h comma k minus a, this distance, h comma k minus a. So how the directrix? Directrix is just opposite to the focus. Okay, so see now, what is the y distance? How much distance is from 0 comma 0? You see that this is x. In the x coordinates it is h. The y coordinate is k plus a. So the equation of directrix, whose equation is y is equal to k plus a. Okay, so all the four types with the vertex 0 comma 0, with the vertex h comma k, you have to thorough, then only we can do the problems clearly. Thank you, students.